Repotting Made Simple, a guide to understanding and using the phrase, repot the plant. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and practical phrase, repot the plant. This phrase is not just about gardening, but it's a wonderful example of how English incorporates specific actions into everyday language. Let's dig into what it means and how to use it effectively in your conversations. First, let's break down the phrase. Repot is a verb that combines re, meaning again, and pot, which in this context is a noun meaning a container for a plant. So, repotting literally means putting a plant into a new pot. But why do we do this? Plants grow, and their roots can become too big for their original pot. Repotting is essential for the health of the plant, providing it with more space to grow and fresh soil. You might wonder how often this phrase comes up in conversation. While it's specific to gardening, it can also be used metaphorically. For example, if someone is moving to a bigger house, you might say they are repotting into a new home. It implies growth and change. In a business context, changing roles or teams could be described as repotting, suggesting a move to a situation with more potential. A common mistake learners make is confusing repot with general planting or gardening. Remember, repotting is specific to transferring plants to a new container. Also, it's important to use the phrase correctly in a sentence. For instance, I need to repot this plant is correct. Whereas, I need to repot this new plant might imply the plant has never been potted before, which is different. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use repot the plant confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language is like a plant. It needs to be nurtured and sometimes repotted to grow. Thank you for joining me today, and happy learning. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson.